Hey everyone, I know the world can feel big and busy right now, with so many things happening all around us. But sometimes, the most special moments come from the simplest things. Today, we're going to take a deep breath, slow down, and hear a sweet story about how even the tiniest treasures, like a little leaf, can remind us of what really matters. So get cozy and listen close, because this story might just warm your heart. The Little Leaf. One day, a tiny leaf blew down from the tallest tree. It twirled in the wind and landed right in front of Elsie's feet. She bent down, picked it up, and smiled. It was the prettiest little leaf she had ever seen. "Why are you so special?" Elsie whispered to the leaf. The leaf didn't answer, but it made her feel warm inside. She carried it home and showed her family. Her dad smiled and said, "Sometimes the smallest things can make the biggest feelings." Elsie kept the leaf by her bed, and every time she looked at it, she remembered how happy it made her. The next day, Elsie noticed the birds singing, the sun shining, and the flowers blooming. All the small things she used to pass by suddenly seemed like treasures. She realized that it's the simple things, like a leaf, a song, or a hug, that make life full of magic. And from that day on, she never forgot to look for the little wonders all around her. Remember, the smallest, simplest things in life can bring the greatest joy. Slow down, notice and appreciate the everyday wonders around you, like a leaf, a bird's song, or a kind gesture, because these little things often hold the power to make life magical and meaningful. I hope you enjoyed the story. Thank you for listening. Please like, share with your friends, and remember to subscribe.